Ladies and gentlemen, I am profoundly honored to invite His Excellency, the Chairman of the Board of Trustees of the American University of Kurdistan, the Right Honorable Masrour Barzani, for his remark. آمده بونید بریز نوکه از شانازی و دخواست جناب سروکی دسته امینداران رزدار مسرور بارزانی کم کرم کرد پیوا خو پیشکش بکرد. يشرفني دعوة معالي رئيس هيئة الأمناء للجامعة الأمريكية في كردستان الأستاذ مسرور بارزاني لإلقاء كلمته.
ناوی خودی مزن و دلوان برز نیچیروان بارزانی سروک هرما کردستان برز محمد حلبوسی سروک جواتا نوینرین عراقی برز ماثیو تولر بالویز امریکا العراقی برپرسن سیاسی و سربازی و اداری و جواکی و دیپلومات کارن هجا آماده بوین هجا قطابی و مامستاین خوشتوی در چوین هجا ینزان کویا امریکیا کردستان و کسو کارن واین برز بخیر بینو گلک سپاس جبو برهف بوناوا از گلک به بختورم که ازش وکی در چوی که زانکویا امریکی لویره آماده ما و دگل ودا دوی هلکفته دا یه بجدارم از گلک شانازیت کم گوزانکوی امریکی لدهو که دم 5 سال بوری دا پیشکفتنه که باش خواه دیتیا و بویا جه امید بو نوین من. الویره از پیتوید بینم و دزانم سپاسا که تایبتا ریبری ما جناب سروک مسعود بارزانی بکم جبو پاراستن و سرکردهتیا کردستان بتایبت لروژن دجوار دا کرد سایت کشان و قربانی ویدا نوین من پاشاروژا کا سقامگیریا هی و سپاس جبو برای من برز کاک نیچیروان بارزانی سروک هرما کردستان کل دم سروکاتیا حکمتا ویدا بایخه که باش به پروسا خویندنه دایا سپاس بو پیشمرگه و دزگه ناسایشن قهرمان که کردستان پاراستیا سپاس بو سروک و راگر و مامستا و توای استاف زانکویا امریکا کردستان الدوکه و سپاس بو مالبات و کسوکارن قطابیان سپاس بو هموان و وان لاین دین هفکاری و هارکاریا بر هف پیشفچون و گشکرنا ویزان کوی دای و افرو نزیکی 600 قطابیا و 135 ستاف و کارمنده هنه کابینه نها حکمت هرما کردستان یک جکارن براهی کارنامه حکمت گرنگیدان بخویندن و پرورده با یخدان بخویندن بلند و کلین زانستی و پیش و برنا آست زانستی زانکوین ما بگمان به جهینان اوان ارکان جیه هفبند باجبون روش آبوری که هیویدارم که شین مدگل حکمت عراقی لسر بنمای جبجه کرنا دستوری چاره سر ببنده که حکومت هرما کردستان بشید پرنگه که باشتر خدمتگزاریا پیشکش کرد بو هف ولاتیت هرما کردستانه لدمایی مدوید پی و خوارسته قطابیه درچویت افرو بکم لازم بزانن که افزان کویا بو هوای هاتیا دا مزراندن دا که ببنه سرکردن پاشا روژا کردستان لبوارن جداین جیانه دا هیویدارم همی بجدار بین آوا کرنا کردستان کا پیز Excellencies, President of the Kurdistan region, Speaker of Iraq's Council of Representatives, U.S. Ambassador to Iraq, distinguished guests, esteemed diplomats, ladies and gentlemen, graduates of the American University of Kurdistan and your families. Welcome to you all, and thank you very much for being here today. I am proud to be standing here before you today as an American University graduate myself. I graduated from the American University in Washington, D.C., class 97. I remember my graduation day, and what I learned in those years has shaped me ever since. My time at study affirmed to me the transformative value of education, and it is a matter of great pride that we have been able to bring world-class opportunities in education to the young people of Kurdistan. I know that you too will be able to look back in the years to come and feel that your time here has been the foundation you built your future on. The institution we stand before today was established 5 years ago with a mission to nurture future generations and instill in them the passion for lifelong learning. We wanted to offer a high-quality American-style university education in a broad range of fields that will contribute to the economic and social development of Kurdistan, Iraq, and the larger region. And as I look at this beautiful campus and at this graduates today, it is clear to me that something very special is being built here. I am very proud of what AUK has already become in such a short space of time. The progress that has been made is a result of the hard work and generosity of many people. I want to thank our leader, President Masrour Barzani, for leading and protecting Kurdistan even in the most difficult of days. Today is a recognition of his lifelong struggle to bring about a brighter, more certain future for the next generations. I thank Nechirvan Barzani, the President of Kurdistan region, for his support to AUK and efforts to provide better quality education throughout his premiership. Thank you. And I also pay tribute to the Peshmerga and many security personnel for their service and loyalty. To the AUK President, the Provost, professors, faculty, and staff, I'm very deeply grateful to you for your contribution and leadership. Of course, this could not be done without the support of Rania Majid, the chair of the AUK Foundation, and the board members who have done so much to raise money for the university. And to the AUK Board of Trustees, thank you for your generosity and guidance. And at last but not least, to the families of the students who stood by this class and helped them get here. This is also your day. This is a university that endured a difficult beginning, but it withstood the challenges and it persisted. Even when the forces of so-called Islamic State were only 12 kilometers from here where we stand, constructions did not stop. Like so many of our people, those who built this fine place were committed to a mission, to build something that would endure. They would not be deterred even in the hardest of circumstances. Since then, driven by this commitment, AUK has grown to nearly 600 students and 135 staff. The achievements of institutions such as AUK matter. They matter to the people here today, and they matter to our nation. In the 9th Cabinet, I have made education one of my core priorities in my agenda. I vow that we will develop higher education, enhance the capacity of the universities and institutions of the region, and help expand scientific research and study opportunities. These efforts depend upon the economic foundations, and I believe that the negotiations over an agreement with Baghdad can play an important role in driving efforts to deliver better education for the people. It is my firm hope that we can achieve this, and I call on the government of Iraq to work with us on realizing our shared goals. Because we want to ensure our young people are prepared to enter a competitive global marketplace, we want to ensure that anyone from any background has the support they need to achieve their potential. And we also want to ensure that our universities are able to play a role in addressing the challenges that communities throughout the region face. The wisdom, innovation, and expertise housed within these walls has the potential to change lives. Universities, the people in universities can do so much. They can develop new sustainable environmental models that allow us to grow our economy with protecting our natural heritage. They can create innovative startups that generate jobs and help families live independent and dignified lives. They can strengthen our connection with our culture and history, deepening our understanding of who we are and where we come from. That is a vital mission, and it is one I am very proud to support. I would like to conclude my speaking directly to you, today's graduates. We built this university for you. We want you to become the future leaders of Kurdistan in whatever field you are pursuing. Speaking at my inauguration a few months ago, I said that my commitment is to work together with every part of our nation to build a strong Kurdistan that serves the people. The buildings we stand in were built by people who embodied that spirit, and I hope that you take away from here the same aspiration to build something that endures. You will leave today with a graduation certificate. That certificate is a recognition that you have accomplished something special, and a recognition of the work that it took to do it. But as well as a recognition, that certificate is also a responsibility, a duty. It is a responsibility that we all share, a responsibility that comes with the privilege of our education. It is a responsibility that stems from a love of our land, our people, and our nation in all their diversity, a responsibility to protect and enhance religious freedom so that all can worship in safety, a responsibility to think critically and creatively, not just to do things the way they have always been done, but challenge ourselves to achieve more. A responsibility to address the challenges we face by bringing people together, not driving them apart. In short, it is the responsibility to do our part to build the future Kurdistan. And I am proud to share that responsibility with you today. Congratulations to class 2019. And thank you very much.
I would like now to invite His Excellency, the Prime Minister of the Kurdistan region and Chairman of the Board of Trustees, the Honorable Masrour Barzani, together with the President of the American University of Kurdistan, Dr. Menzies, to podium to present our graduates with their degrees. نوکجی داخازش جناب سروکی هرم کردستان و سروکی دسته امین داران رئیسدار مسرور بارزانیت کم کرم که تصدقی قال برئیس سروکی زانینگه دكتور جون منزس بو بيشكرنا بروانامة درجوان أدعو معالي رئيس وزراء إقليم كردستان ورئيس هيئة أمناء الجامعة السيد مسرور بارزاني والسيد رئيس الجامعة الأمريكية في كردستان دكتور جون منزس إلى المنصة لتسليم الشهادات.
College of Arts and Sciences. Ain Bahadin Hussein. Oh. Chang Farhan Taher. Dejin Mohammed Ahmed. Helene Ali Hassan. Joanna Nazar Majid. Noran Ribar Ismail. Omar Isan Isa. Rand Rasim Hurmiz. Saman Salar Jafar. Bajin Jasim Ibrahim. The College of Business, Abdurrahman Ahmed Hassan. Zana Sala Sharafani. Heavy Yunus Hassan. Ali Khairuddin Sadiq. Ahmad Abbas Ahmed. Ahmad Mushir Mohammed. Barzan Sarkot Saleh. Perivan Jamil Othman. Dara Ahmed Yunus. Nihad Abdullah Ali. Nojdar Amin Uthman. Shaho Mohammed Mohsin. Shahrivan Safari Babakar. Zana Abdulhamid Diwali. The College of International Studies, Abdullah Noraddin Abdullah. Avahi Gufran Barzani. Omid Farhad Hamdi. Tanya Junaid Saleh. Diyar Ali Tili. Uthman Omar Uthman.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, and Chairman and President Menzies. Galak spas Borezdar Saruki Destay Amid Daran.
And providing me with a home to live and study. To my friends, whom I spent countless hours studying with, proofreading each other's work, and creating memories together that will last a lifetime, I thank you all, and I would not be where I am today without you.
AUK, your parents, your families, and your country could not be more proud of you and your achievements. You